Oh, make me over. I'm all I wanna be.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to be reviewing Benefit's Foolproof Brow Powder. So I'm just going to tell you a little about it and what it says. It says, get foolproof fullness and a soft natural look. This velvety smooth brow powder instantly adheres to hair and skin. It's super easy, no hard lines or mistakes. 93% say it was easy to apply, and it's 12-hour long wear. So the colors that it comes in, or I should say number range, it comes in a 1, which is light. That would be for like people with platinum to like blonde hair. And the number 3, which is medium, and that's the one that I got. And that's for people with golden blonde to medium brown hair. And then they have the number 5, which is deep, or called deep, which is for dark brown to black hair. So it comes with a foolproof blending sponge and spoolie. And let's just see, it comes like this cute little packaging. And so it opens like that, and it has looks like an eyebrow, and it has the 2 tones, which is the lighter and the darker. And then it comes with the little brush. Well, it's not really a brush, it's like a sponge. And when I first saw this, I was kind of like taken aback. I wasn't too sure, because I'm used to using like a brush. And so I was just like, okay, how is this gonna work? A sponge? Like, that's weird. Never tried that before. So if you open it, and you see it comes with the little spoolie. Let's see if you can see it. And what you do is you just put it in the other end. So you take it out and then you put it in. And I think I did that right. And so there you have it. And it also has a little mirror on the inside, which is cool. It even gives you instructions on the mirror, which you could just peel it off. It's like a little sticky sticker paper. And it just shows you the eyebrow, and then it shows you number 1, sweep lighter shade from start of brow arch. And then number 2, sweep the deeper shade from the arch to the tail end of the brow. I'm going to try it with one brow the way that they describe to do it. And then the other brow I'm going to do it just the way I feel it should be done. So right now my eyebrows are kind of going through, I don't know if it's a phase or what it is, but I haven't been really happy with my eyebrows lately. I've been trying to let them grow out, and to me they're just not, I don't know, you can see I don't have any brow product right now, so to me it looks weird. Yeah, I just don't like my brows. They're very, like, what's the word, sparse. They're very patchy, and I really don't like them. Yeah, they're just going through something right now, and I don't know, so bear with me. So let's get started. So first I am going to, oh, by the way, it also comes with like this little booklet, like giving you instructions on how to use it and stuff. So I thought that's pretty helpful for people who are maybe starting out. Yeah, and so it's awesome. I'm gonna start with this side, and see, another thing, I don't know if you could see, I'm gonna try to get in closer. This brow, if you notice, my hairs right here don't really grow that much compared to this side, as you can see the hair. Yeah, like what happened, I went to get my eyebrows waxed, and the lady pretty much took off this little section. I've been trying to grow it back ever since, and this happened like last summer, and for some reason now my hairs don't really want to grow. So they're like a few, like 5 little hairs. So, you know, when I use the powder I try to like cling on to those. But yeah, that is my dilemma. So I'm sorry if my brows do look crazy, because like I said, I've been growing them out, trying to make them thicker. You're kidding me with this train. you guys know with that stupid train, now that they finally did construction and now it's like kind of underground, like in a ditch kind of thing, like a tunnel, like an open tunnel. It's no longer like above ground. You can still hear it, but at least we don't have to hear the horn, because you know they would only honk the horn to notify people that they're coming, and since it's no longer above ground, we don't have to hear it, thank goodness. But you still hear the rumbling of it. And yeah, anyways, so what I'm gonna do, so it says to sweep lighter shade from start of the brow arch. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that at the end of my brow and work my way. Okay, this kind of feels weird with this little applicator, the sponge. I just realized I'm doing it wrong. Okay. So I was putting the lighter, I was starting the edge off with the lighter, and I was actually supposed to use the darker. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. No big deal. Okay, so let's just pretend that like didn't happen. Okay? In the magical world of editing or whatever. And let's start over. So I'm gonna take the light shade, just this one, and I'm gonna start off from the inner to the outer. So let's see how this does for like those patches. I actually have a friend who, she has like a big scar on her eyebrow, and she always looks for the same thing for eyebrow stuff to help hide that. And I think with the eyeshadow that'll make it look really natural for her. Now I was worried about this looking a little too light, because I picked the medium, and when I saw it I was like, wow, that kind of looks a little light. But when I rubbed it on my finger at the store, it was a pretty decent color. It was darker than what it looked. So like I said, I'm gonna do this the way it says to do it, applying it with the little sponge. Now the only thing is that you can't really get like the sharp line. If you're looking to get that sharp line like how pencils do it and stuff, this little thing doesn't really do that. It just kind of blends it in. And so working my way to the middle. Okay, now I'm gonna use the dark. Okay. Rewind. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the darker color, and I'm gonna start going towards the back, what they call the tail end of the brow. So how's that looking? So yeah, it's not bad. I actually like it. I just want the line maybe to be a little bit sharper, so you can see. I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, how does that look? Okay, so you see how it looks, right? Now I'm gonna try using a brush. It's a flat angled brush, that's what it is. And I'm gonna be using the one from Wet n Wild. So if you could see it's flat, but it has that angle. Let's see how that works. No, it is definitely coming out darker. So right now I'm just using the light shade. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade now for the end tail. So definitely I could see I can get, you know, more of a sharper line if I wanted to. I definitely notice this one looks a little more natural and this one looks a little bit dark, and you could kind of tell like right here. This one, well, obviously because you know how that is with that side. The sponge for some reason wasn't, let me see. I'm gonna go in with the darker side on this area right here. And I'm using the little sponge to see if I can fill in that little patchy area. Make it a little bit darker. Okay, that kind of worked. I can never get these two to align for some reason. I don't know what it is. It's always one or the other comes out better. I don't know if anyone ever has that issue. Like, I think I've discussed this before in a video about how one eyebrow always comes out wonkier than the other one. I don't know. I don't know why that happens. It's so weird. But definitely I noticed that the brush picked up more product. On this side you could tell like it's more darker. With the sponge, it definitely makes it look more natural, and it doesn't pick up a lot of product. Like, it's not crazy. If you can tell, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that side with the brush. So I'm going with the darker. It's not that much of a difference, just to me it's like this one just looks darker. That's the only difference I see. See if I could maybe comb out some of the product. I mean, overall I am kind of liking this though. It's like there, I think they're almost close to matching. I'm sorry guys, I'm really hating my eyebrows and how they look lately. But as far as the product, yeah, I like it. It's it looks more natural. It actually is matching to more to my hair, because I noticed that lately when I was using that other one, my brows were coming out a little too darker than what I normally do. But yeah, no, I'm actually satisfied with this. So I think I got a new product that I love. So we'll see how it wears. It does retail for $24. I got mine at Sephora, but I believe they also have it at Ulta. So yeah, pretty much I think wherever they sell Benefit Cosmetics, you can probably find it. So that's going to be it for this review, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, so that way you don't miss out. And yeah, if there's any other questions that maybe you wanted to know about the product that I didn't maybe cover in this video, please leave it down in the comments below and let me know, and I'll get back to you. So that's it. Until the next one.